Hello guys, today I am show to you how to create Amazon buyer in 2021. So first of all, 5 steps now I will highlight to 9 great work from home jobs for parents. How to work from Google from home, Google jobs from work from home, Google works on job. Today trying to balance everyday life with the responsibility of partner truth seriously talk tests and today I am sure to you customer services representative. This is all opportunity for you data entry specialist. How to create Amazon buyer account safely. October 17 to 2021. John's Grammars. Are you looking forward to creating multiple Amazon buyers account for your marketing campaign on Amazon's? We will be showing you how to get that done in the article below. Amazon basically has two type of accounts and each difference in term of what is allowed and what is not allowed for sale account. Amazon permits you to only have one account, and if you need another you will need to apply for exemptions for the rule. On the other hand, you are allowed to have the number of Amazon buyer accounts you want with no restriction, but there is a caveat, and that is why those then want to create multiple buyers account for their marketing campaigns look for the best way to create them. In this article, we will be showing our readers how to create multiple buyer account. Before going into the article proper, let me stress the fact that expect you want to create a lot of buyers accounts. You are better off buying already made buyer accounts that already have purchase history. This is because these accounts have already earned from themselves trust, and anything you do with them will be put unless security than accounts you do created. However, if you want to have full control and create a lot of accounts, then you can go ahead and follow guide in the articles. Creating your has the advantages of ensuring and the highest quality possible. You only have to be ready to uh, work. Essential tools create Amazon account. Number one, an anti-fingerprint Amazon automation tools for creating accounts such as a PVA creators. Number two, proxies the hide your IP footprint on Amazon's residential proxies recommended by data. Disclaimer: the article reveals some dark truth that show how create multiple PayPal accounts. In fact, we never encourage you to do that for it. Breaking Amazon users agreements policies, so take note your actions are your responsibility when do that noted on your disclaimer. What are the multiple Amazon buyer accounts and why create them? Multiple Amazon buyer accounts are buyer accounts managed by a person or a group of person because of certain reason. One thing you will need to know is that just creating the accounts isn't a problem. As a buyer, have the privilege the seller do not, since they bring money to the platform and their selected actions are detrimental to a platform as that is of seller. If you are a visit internet marketing firms, you will be surprised at the number of Amazon marketings that are looking into the creating their own multiple buyers account or even buying old ones with some purchase history. Now you might be asking why you will need them or even create them. The answer is simple. If you are a buyer on Amazon, you do need the border yourself with creating multiple buyer accounts as they are of no use. Multiple Amazon buyer accounts are created by seller on Amazon. They are required for adding reviews to products so as to give other buyers good impressions about the product. You will agree with me and my buyers accounts where the buyers review before making a purchase. If you can have control over some the initial reviews on your products, there are a chance of such products getting actual buyers since there is a perceived trust in the product. Can I have a multiple buyer accounts? Thank you.